Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching about functions, specifically domains and ranges, on finding the range based on the domain given. Okay, let's start. So this is your function given, fx equals 3x plus 2. For this is your domain, right? So your x value must be between 0 and 5 and can be 0 and 5. So in order to find our range, and in general our range is the minimum and maximum number we get from our domain, right? So look at this question, right? So we sub in our minimum value into our function. So it's f bracket 2, see, f bracket 0, so it's f bracket 0, our minimum value, is equivalent to 3 times 0 plus 2. What do you get? You get 2. Now you do the same for 5. So it's f bracket 5 is equal to 3 times 5 plus 2. You get 17. So now you have your minimum value and your maximum value. So how do you write your range? You write it like this: 2 less than x? No, it's not x. Many people make the mistake of writing x here, but x is only in the domain, so this is wrong. Instead, you must write your function, which is fx, is then equal to 17. You use this symbol because over here is the same symbol. If the symbol is, let's say, like this, then you would write 2fx like that. You follow the symbol. Okay, I hope you understand. Let's move on to the next question. Function f is defined by fx equals to x squared minus 4 for x. This symbol means all real numbers. And you might ask yourself, all real numbers, I can't sub in every single number here. You are correct. But we look at how x squared works. Whether x is negative 1 or positive 2 or negative 3, it'll always end up as a positive value, right? So you know it'll always be positive values, so what's the least you can do? Is 0, right? So if you do f0 equals to 0 squared minus 4, so your minimum value is negative 4, right? So you only get one number, but you can find your range with it. And your range would be, yes, fx will be greater than equal to negative 4. That's your final answer. Okay, let's continue to the last question. Function g is defined as gx equals to 2x plus 1 squared minus 5 for this domain. So your x value cannot go below negative 1 over 2. That's your minimum value. So we sub in our minimum value, which would be g bracket negative 1 over 2 is equivalent to 2 bracket negative 1 over 2 plus 1 square minus 5. Let's do the maths. 2 times negative 1 over 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 squared is still 0. Minus 5, yep, negative 5. Right? And if you sub in more numbers greater than negative 1 over 2, your answer will be greater than negative 1 over 2. It'll be greater than negative 5, right? So from here, you already know it's gx will be greater or equal to negative 5. I hope you understand everything that I have episode today, and if you have any questions, please comment them in the comment section below. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next video.